Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel English No Problem. I am Asif Ali. I have completed my Masters in Linguistics and Literature. I have also done Diploma TEFL, teaching English as a foreign language. I have been teaching for 8 years and now I have decided to make my video lectures. First of all, I am starting with second year English and further on I will move towards 9, 10, first year and inshallah to bachelor level. In these lectures, I am going to describe English A as well as English B along with journal mistakes that students make while preparation of their exams or while taking their tests. Art and craft is my hobby and I used to create things like these, and I use my art to make visual aids in my every lecture for better clarification for the students. I hope you will like my lectures. To stay connected, subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.